Hey everyone, Lou Arce, Best Agency, and I am back with another story to tell. This time, um, happened about 6 to 8 weeks ago, so I'm a little late on this story here, but this year is going quick. We are already in the second month of the second quarter, and man, time is flying by. But anyway, back to the story. I had an agent who came to me and had a case that he was working on, where they were putting away $60,000 a year for accumulation, life insurance, retirement planning alert plan. And he was discussing the case with me, and he had submitted the case to carrier XYZ. And with that said, during our discussion, I've been working with this carrier, with this agent for a very long time. I expressed my, how do you say, my thoughts that the carrier would not approve based on criminal history, build, and some other morbidities that the client had. So I said, hey, do me a favor when it's said and done, and let me know how it goes. Whether it's placed or not, let me know how it goes because I've been working with this guy for a very long time. And he calls me up about 3 or 4 weeks later, and he says, "Hey Lou, just like you said, case is declined. Can you help me out?" So I've been working with this gentleman for a long time, and I said, "Yeah, not a problem. Let's take this a little further." We used our quote shop informal underwriting program, which allows us to get tentative offers from carriers before submitting the actual application. And many carriers, because of the felony, the criminal history, declined the case. But we had a couple of carriers that gave us some table rated offers. With that said, we did the case design, and we went with Prudential. During the underwriting process, we ended up finding even more issues that were going on. But true to the tentative offer, Prudential kept their table rated offer. So we got a table three offer on this particular case. And we were able to design it as such. And client was ecstatic because after several declinations over the last couple of years, finally got an approval. The agent was happy because he was able to place a $60,000 case. We were happy because we were able to keep our agent happy and help where we can. So the clients get the coverage, client gets the product that they're looking for, and agent keeps everyone happy. Um, what else came out of this actually is we have a case pending on the client's brother that is also pending now. So hopefully there'll be an additional $60,000 premium case that we will be able to obtain. All that, just by going the extra mile and trying to assist where we can. That's the best, best thing that we do. We try to go a little further, uh, get our hands dirty, and get these cases approved for you guys, and try to help as many clients as we can. We love helping our advisors, but if we can help as many families as we can, that's where it is for us. So, hope you enjoyed this story. And if there's anything you got going on, any cases that you're working on, that you may need just a second set of eyes on or a second set of ears on this thing, we'll be more than happy to do so. Give us a call, 561 241 4500. Best Agency USA.